During the pandemic, I thought it was a wise time to pour out my several years of production experience and also my editing experience by creating video editing tutorials. But unfortunately, because I use a Mac desktop, it doesn't come with a webcam. And for that reason, I had to go to the internet looking for any webcam to buy. From Jumia to Amazon, all the way to Best Buy. I couldn't find any decent webcam, and the few available ones were the type of products that on a good day I would never have considered to buy. Then all of a sudden, the so-called webcams that were even available that I probably would never have bought were now very expensive, because everywhere all around the internet, webcam had become the new gold. Everybody wanted to do video and trainings and Zoom meetings, so webcams were just not available. Anyway, I had to quickly start looking for an alternative, and voila, I discovered the secret of using my phone. And the crazy thing is that your phone is far better than any webcam you can think of out there. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to use your phone as a webcam. This method covers iPhone and Android smartphone, and the softwares we will use are free. Free software for both Mac and Windows PC. Hi, Kevin Aladi from Mediatron, where we help you optimize your brand and business with video. Also showing you tips and tricks to improve your YouTube videos. Alright guys, let's jump into the video. So guys, if you have got a modern iPhone or any Android device, trust me, your phone camera will do much better than any webcam that are available today. This is because there are so many types of tools and apps designed to help your camera perform better as a webcam. And I have tried and tested most of them. A large percentage are useless, but a handful of them are quite good. But for you guys, I have handpicked two softwares that will make life a whole lot easier, and these are Iriun and EpocCam. And you can get awesome results using them. Now, both of them have a free version available, but they also have a paid version where you can remove the watermark, and you can also unlock higher resolution or higher video qualities as well. Mine is a paid version, and some functionalities that you see in mine may not be in what you have if you're using the free version. But trust me, the free version is good enough to get you going. Also, both of them will work both with Mac or PC. But right now, at the time I'm filming this video, I'm not sure if EpocCam works with Android. So you will need to be using an iPhone device if you're going to use EpocCam. Otherwise, if you're using an Android, you're better off with Iriun. So guys, the first thing is to visit the website, then download and install the software for your computer. I'll put the links in the description box below. Once that is installed, you want to make sure that you have got the app downloaded and installed on your phone. You will then have to decide if you're going to be connecting your phone to the computer via Wi-Fi. If that is what you want, then you must make sure that both your phone and the computer are connected to the same network. But for me, I would recommend a USB cable. However, in both cases, both via cable or Wi-Fi, you will get great and awesome experience, because contrary to my suspicion, Wi-Fi actually works ridiculously well. I honestly didn't think it would work as well as it does. But personally, like I said earlier, I recommend using a cable whenever possible. Apart from a better speed in communication between your phone and your computer, your phone isn't going to go flat while you're using it as a webcam, because by default, your phone will be charged from your computer at the same time while you're using it as a webcam. So guys, let's jump into the computer. I'll be using my iPhone 12 and EpocCam. I've just opened up the app and it's connected to my computer. All right, let's go ahead and first download the OBS. So to do that, just go to Google and type OBS. You can use the link in my description down below and download the app depending on what you are using, iPhone or Android. Then open the app, OBS. OBS is a video capture device for webcams. Come down here, click on the plus sign down here. Click on it, then go to the top down and find EpocCam. Then click OK. As you can see, this is it in real time over wireless. It is so easy. If you go over the setting, you can see that we can choose Wi-Fi, USB, NDI. The choice of connection is in your hands. Okay, over here, you get to specify what quality you want to record on. So it is currently set to best quality, but you can also choose good or fair. If you are having connection issues because of your Wi-Fi or you want a lower quality of the feed, then you can change that in here as well. There is also built-in green screen in this app, which for me is not useful. Over here, you also have the ability to switch between the front and back end camera. Moving down here, you can bring in audio or mute the phone audio. This simply means that you can use your phone as a microphone, and for me, that's an added advantage. Another important advantage of using your phone with this app is your ability to use your flash on the back of your camera. If you are going to be using the back camera, well, let me surprise you. The fact is, on most phones, your back camera actually has a better quality than the front camera. You can actually use the flash to light yourself up as well. Okay, let's open and try it out with zoom. I'm starting up the zoom now. As you can see, this looks amazing. But remember, before you start recording, don't forget to clean the lens of your phone, lock your focus, and put your phone on flight mode. And if you're using Wi-Fi, make sure your phone is adequately charged. So this is a fantastic tool right there in your hands that you can use as a webcam. Meaning what? Simply means that you do not need to go and spend your hard-earned money buying crappy webcams out there in the market, or even spending money at all for any webcam, except you have your special reasons you want to do that. I will recommend you just use your phone, save your money, and even get better quality video. It is said that give a child that thing that has kept him awake and he will go to bed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and punch that notification bell beside the subscribe button. That way, it will not forget to remind you when next I release a new video. See you guys in the next video. I'm out of here.